€58. Cheers. Hey nurse. We have arrived at one of our favourite campsites we've ever stayed at, and we are surrounded by blue skies and the finest Italian Dolomite mountains. We're at Caravan Park, Sexten. Just have a look at this. We're currently 1,500 metres above sea level. Excuse me. When the sun comes out, it's beautiful. It must be 10 to 15 degrees when the sun's out. As soon as the sun goes behind a cloud, because you're so high elevated, God, it's cold. But the Peroni's going on down well.
We're off the pub. If there is a pub.
Because it's fucking freezing outside. So we're going to drink in a warm environment.
Hopefully.
When I wake up early in the morning, and when I come home at night, everything is covered in darkness.
I'm charging everything this morning, and Sarah selfishly wants another brew. We've only got a tiny little van. What have you got to say to yourself?
All I've heard for the last week is, we need a bigger van. If we had a bigger van, I want a bigger van.
Well, if we had a bigger van, you wouldn't hear me say it.
True.
We slept up here last night in the pop top. And it was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There's a hard frost on the windscreen. It must have dropped a bit, slightly below zero last night. It was Baltic when we went to bed. But we've got this down duvet, and it's a godsend. We haven't even got the thermal wrap on the pop top this morning. Well, this trip.
Never not brought it, have we?
No, we didn't have the diesel heater on or anything. Just.
I mean, to fair, I'm in a smart wool top and Rab, what are my leggings?
Polartec
leggings and socks. That's why I was toasty.
But what a treat to wake up to that view this morning, eh? Right.
Well, I don't want to get out of bed, so that's...
I best go and do my duties and...
Or I won't get out of bed.
Make another pint of tea.
You say that as if I've not made you 20 on this holiday.
Shut up.
Well, you've been photographing. Photographing?
How did you get here?
You like driving, I've offered to drive before. You
No,
don't.
I like you not driving.
Exactly, so is that my fault?
Yeah.
No.
Because you're a bad driver.
I'm not.
Right, I'm going to make a brew.
Go on then.
Brings goosebumps to my
just stopped for our dinner, not lunch, dinner, next to a little bit of a river. It's a bit dry, but it's a bit noisy still, in it. And I'm hoping the microphone facing this way with the water being behind the camera won't be so bad. That's
going to be your catchphrase. Not lunch, dinner.
Yeah.
We'll have to put it on stickers.
We've come for a walk through this stunning little forest with a river running through it, blue skies above us, and now and again you just get little glimpses of the Dolomite mountains up above the trees. It's just phenomenal. It's straight from the campsite. As you come out the campsite, there's markings on the trees to say which, like, different routes, and then loads of different signposts saying different routes and how long they take as well. So we're only out for a short mooch today because we've come here to relax. Anyway, we'll show you our surroundings now because we've got butties to eat. What's that sign say?
Prati di Crodarossa.
Who?
Prati di Crodarossa.
This is nature's stress relief. Where's people coming? Bye. So where are we going?
That way. What?
Oh, what?
Alp Nemes. Malge Coltronondo.
That background is awful, Sarah.
The foreground's beautiful.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, baby. Don't you know it, baby?
We walked up this trail and it said something pass, and we thought it was just taking us to the road. We're very disappointed. We've just got to the hotel Kreuzberg Monte Croce. I can read restaurant bar. And we've just got a quick glimpse of what we potentially might have walked to. Have a look at this. Oh, there's a sign saying anus. Anus. So what we're saying is, glad we did it. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
The mountains in the distance look amazing, but they're a bit too distant. I might try and get a bit of a photograph. And it looks like the type of place you'd want to drive towards just to see that view. But we've seen a million views like that so far. And that's not to say this one's no good. It is. We are spoiled. Real world problems.
First world problems.
Is one of the best views you've ever seen in your life worth going to see? No, because we've already seen a million other best views in our life. But if the photo's any good, I'll put it over. But we're going to turn around, walk back down to the campsite through the forest and get a beer. It's a great afternoon for a beer, isn't it? Right, see you in a bit. Prepare for your Italian lesson from Sarah.
Obbligo di pneumatico invernale o cantenni a bordo. That means you've got to have your special tyres on this road.
Just found something slightly off-piste, which might please Sarah. So we're going to walk uphill to it, and we'll show you when we get there. This church is tiny.
Seats about 4 people.
St. Michael.
8.
And it's a proper little church.
It's got a tiny little altar and everything. It's beautiful. Just hidden in the trees.
And look at the surroundings. Sarah's got us lost.
We should be down there.
What?
We should be down there. Our trail is like that car park level because we come off onto that. I'm just hoping this path takes us down at some point. I'm sure it will.
Best Dad.
I'm sure it will. It's all part of the fun, isn't it? We do a lot of walking and it always makes me feel calm and relaxed, but like today I feel like proper chilled, like really happy, chilled, and I can only say that I think when we did Trade Shimmy it was the same kind of feeling, and then when we were in Iceland and did walks there as well. And I don't know whether it's the exercise, the weather, the scenery, but yeah, sometimes some of our little journeys just make me feel. How's it made you feel?
Like butterflies flying around your face.
Yes, I'm like something off Disney when I'm just like. And that's as operatic as I'm getting.
And that's a good thing, right?
That is a good thing, yeah. I mean, you might think I'm on LSD or something, but I'm not.
Little Miss Navigation here. Come on, let's just go around here and see what's around here. And we'll just follow it a little bit further. It'll pick up the trail that we came up on. And now we are pretty much coming to the top of the hills that we walked at the bottom of. But at least it's got us a nice view.
And exercise.
We're going straight to the outdoor beer garden when we get back to the site. You might have just saved your marriage.
I mean,
In fact, there's a slight downhill.
and some pretty awesome views, mate.
It's alright.
And that, just look down there. Snow-capped mountains in the background with trees in front of it. Nice big rock and it just looks snowy.
Yeah, it's not bad. What?
Pantesfield was on our signs down below, so it should join up with everything else.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Pantesfield.
We've currently come to a junction where there's a...
Oh no, that's 130. Yeah, 13. That way.
What?
13.
Unlucky for some.
That's our route, innit? I think. It's down, so you want to go down, don't you?
Yes, we want to go down. Look, got a down and an up. We're going down.
We are going down.
This path just keeps going down, 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 down. And it
does down, 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 down.
Got a copyright because you're singing so good.
Well, you know, I am operatic.
Uh-huh. Lean on me when you're not strong.
Oh, look at your voice, so pretty.
I'll be your friend. I'll take you to the pub where you can see civilization. Look. Sarah gets to stay married. Cheers. We finished our walk, had a quick change of clothes, and went straight to the pub beer garden. And the views were just phenomenal. And the beer was lovely. Sarah's not keen on it. But it was Baltic again. In the direct sunlight, it was beautiful. As soon as the sun went behind the cloud, it was freezing. So we finished our beer, we've come back to the van, we've got cake from the shop. I got some apple pastry type thing, and I said I got a cheesecake, and we're having a brew. But we've booked a restaurant for 8 o'clock, so we'll see how that goes, eh? How are you feeling after your walk, kid?
Tired.
What?
Tired.
Tired?
Tired. So, just tired.
We'll leave it there, eh?
Tired. Full stop.
Cakes from the campsite shop. So you got Sarah's cheesecake. Can't see that, can you? No. Oh, bit of sunlight on it. Cheesecake. Ooh. And my apple thingy. Dankeschön.
But mine looks amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, you can try a bit, you know. I'll let you.
Said I can try some of hers, so I'm going to take the opportunity. A bit smaller.
It's fine. You know, as much as you want, babe.
That ain't cheesecake.
What is it?
Like a very light
Cream.
cream.
It looks like cream.
Yeah. It's nice.
It's her saying cheese that made me think.
She said cheese, yeah, but it's nice, but this looks naughty. That's right. Wunderbar.
That's for the bottles, shouldn't I? €7 for that. €7 for that. Does always work out cheap.
Shappy.
I'm not going to end up eating it like I should, am I? Judge me.